Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all had a great Sunday. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
I am so happy to be your teacher this term. Let's get ready for an awesome day. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So very good all of you. So today we will discuss nouns. What is that? Nouns. Okay. So what is a noun and what is the importance of noun in English language and types of nouns? Understand? So today we will discuss these all in our English class. Are you ready, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Please smile everybody. Why you are so serious? In my class, all of you smile. Then only I will continue the class. Smile everybody. Yeah, very good. So, what is a noun? Noun is a part of speech in the English language that serves as the name of a person, place, thing or idea. Okay. So, generally, what is the definition of noun? Noun is a Yeah, very good. So noun is a naming word. The general simple definition that you are learning from your lower classes. Okay. So essentially nouns are words that identify and classify entities, allowing us to refer to them in speech or writing. They provide the specificity and clarity. Nouns provide specificity and clarity in communication by giving names to the various elements of our world. Okay, so nouns are very much important. We are giving in our English language. Is it so, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what are the types of nouns? Already you have learned this from your lower classes. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say what are the types of nouns? The first one?
Common noun, proper noun, singular noun, plural noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, collective noun, coordinate noun, abstract noun.
Very good. So these are the nouns. Okay. So the first one, as you say, common noun, proper noun, singular noun, plural noun, countable noun and uncountable noun, compound noun, next collective noun, concrete noun and abstract noun. So today we are going to discuss abstract noun. What is that?
Abstract noun.
Yes. So what is abstract noun? An abstract noun is a word that name an idea, feeling, quality or state rather than a physical object. You cannot see, you cannot touch, you cannot hear, you cannot smell or you cannot taste an abstract noun. For example, freedom, bravery, kindness, wisdom and future. So these are few examples for abstract noun. So abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, from common nouns, from verbs. Okay. So here you please see now brave. How it changed as abstract noun. What is this word? Brave. How it changed as abstract noun? Yes. Say what is?
Bravery.
Bravery. Next, poor. How it changes as abstract noun?
Poor.
Say loudly.
Poverty.
Poverty. Friend.
Friendship.
Friendship. Friend as changed as abstract noun is?
Friendship.
Next one, hero.
Heroism.
Heroism. Next, define.
Definition.
Definition. change as
Respect.
only. Here, cry and help and respect. Why change as same only in abstract noun? Because verbs having same forms as abstract nouns. Okay, students? So, these are the abstract nouns. So, here I have written some words on the board. Okay, so what we have discussed here? Nouns, next noun types and abstract noun. So, I have written some words on the board. Use, servant, minister, clean, honest, truth, please, agree. Next, remove, decide, yes. So students, abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, okay? And abstract nouns can be formed from common nouns also. Abstract nouns can be formed from verbs too. Next, verbs having same forms as abstract nouns. So, next, names of various arts, sciences, games and professions are abstract nouns only. Okay, students? Yes, okay. So, here I have written some words. Now, from these words, you have to write the abstract nouns. Are you ready, students? Yeah, very good. Now, one by one, please come to the board. Take the piece of chalk and come here. First of all, you. Write fast. Say, what is that?
Usage.
From user,
Usage.
usage. Give claps to her.
Friend service. S-E-R-V-I-C-E. Service. Minister, ministry. Clean, cleanliness. Honest, honesty. The abstract noun of you is truth. Please, pleasure. Agree, agreement. Decision. Start. Live life. Judge judgment. Step. Child, childhood. Do, read.
Very good, students. Very good. So, all of you understood abstract noun? So, these are the answers you have given. User, servant, minister, clean, honest, true, please, agree, remove, decide, think, leave, judge, destroy, give, child, do. Very good. Super, all of you. Thank you.